that we have your developers' interests at heart, the ones who are using our products, and that we're more than open to having any conversations about how the product is working for them, what we could do better, what your additional needs are, what other problems we can help you solve. My name is Mary Thengvall. I am the Director of Developer Relations at Camunda, which is a global company. We do process orchestration. And my background, I have a journalism major and journalism background and kind of stumbled into developer relations. When I got out of college, it was a terrible time to have a journalism background. Everyone was letting go of their writing staffs, so wound up doing public relations at O'Reilly Media with their tech books and started asking a lot of questions about how do we know what content people are interested in? How do we know what talks they're interested in hearing at conferences? And kind of stumbled into this gather feedback and then help other people throughout the company make decisions based on that feedback and make sure we're really taking care of the people who are using the software, the resources, the information we're putting out there. So developer relations to a junior developer, I would say we're the ones who are writing the getting started guides for you. We're helping you understand how to get up and running quickly with the product, because usually as a junior dev, you're not making decisions about which tools to use, right? You're told, we're using this tool, go do this thing. And so we're the ones that are helping you be able to get up and running quickly and understand what the tool is like, why you should be using it, and how to use it best. So to a senior developer, we're gonna be really interested in hearing what's your experience with the product, right? How is it going? Is it easy to get up and running with? And we'll use that feedback and that information often to improve those getting started guides that are good for the junior developers. But then also we're looking to help them solve bigger issues. So not just, hey, there's a process that your team is involved in that you have to make sure everything gets to the marketplace on time, but also, hey, what other processes throughout your company could be improved, could be more efficient or more effective? I'm using Camunda as an example, of course. But how do we help you not just with this one project, but think more holistically about resources we could create, or additional features that the product needs, or people that you can talk to figure out what are the good practices and how do we make the most of what we're doing here. The CTO should know that we are the ones doing our best to keep your engineers as productive as they can be, right? We know there's a lot on your plate. There's a lot of responsibilities. You're responsible to keep the product moving at a certain pace and the development of the product moving at a certain pace. And so helping you understand that we have your developers' interests at heart, the ones who are using our products, and that we're more than open to having any conversations about how the product is working for them, what we could do better, what your additional needs are, what other problems we can help you solve. You can follow me, I'm Mary_Grace on most of the social sites, and then marygrace.community is my website. You can find more information there about me, my blog, the book about developer relations that I wrote, the various podcasts and communities and things that I'm involved in as well.
Thank you for watching our video. If you want to learn more about Engineer Explains, click on one of these.